Alright, y'all, we're going to run my iConheli Helicopter Razz. 22 spots at $1 a spot. Let's go live. At 11:12. It's 11:12. Let's post our list. A little bit slow. Alright, we need a 4 or higher. We have a 7, that will work. Going to randomize for the first time. Still at 11:12. After the first time, we do have 22 items on our list, with Allison on top and Asia on bottom. Dice calls for a 7. So here we go at 11:13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, we have 22 items still on our list, with Naomi on top and Joy on bottom. The dice call for a 7. So here we go for the last time at 11:13. Still, good luck. Alright, after the 7th time, spot number 7, Allison McKenzie, you are our winner. Congratulations. There were 22 items in our list. We randomized 7 times. The dice call for a 7. And we're done. At 11:13. Rolling to 11:14. Congratulations, spot number 7, Allison McKenzie.